Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into workspace organization tips. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, create a clutter-free environment, or optimize your workspace, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common workspace organization challenges and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on workspace organization tips. Why this topic matters. Understanding workspace organization tips is crucial for maintaining a productive and efficient work environment. Many people struggle with cluttered desks, poor office layout, and ineffective organization, which can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. For instance, research shows that a well-organized workspace can enhance focus, reduce stress, and improve overall work efficiency. By focusing on workspace organization, you can create an environment that supports your work habits and enhances your productivity. Workspace organization isn't just about keeping things tidy. It's about creating a functional space that meets your needs. For example, a colleague of mine used to work in a cluttered office, which affected their ability to focus and complete tasks efficiently. After reorganizing their workspace, they found it easier to locate documents, manage their workload, and maintain a clear mind. This transformation not only improved their productivity but also their job satisfaction. 8 essential tips for workspace organization. Tip 1. Declutter your workspace. This tip helps you remove unnecessary items from your workspace. For example, clear out old papers, unused supplies, and any items that don't serve a purpose. Decluttering creates a clean and focused environment. Tip 2. Organize your desk layout. Implementing this will ensure that your workspace is functional and efficient. It's particularly useful for creating a layout that supports your work habits. For instance, arrange your desk with frequently used items within easy reach and less used items stored away. Tip 3. Use storage solutions. Here's why this is important for keeping your workspace tidy. Consider how it can help you store items neatly and access them easily. For example, use drawers, shelves, and storage boxes to keep your desk organized and clutter-free. Tip 4. Label everything. This approach helps you quickly locate items and maintain organization. By using this strategy, you can avoid wasting time searching for documents or supplies. Labeling files, drawers, and storage containers makes it easy to find what you need. Tip 5. Implement a filing system. By applying this, you can keep your documents organized and accessible. Think of it as a way to manage your paperwork efficiently. For example, create a filing system with labeled folders for different categories like projects, clients, or invoices. Tip 6. Keep a clean desk policy. This tip will assist you in maintaining a tidy workspace. An example of this could be setting a daily routine to clear your desk before you leave. A clean desk policy ensures that you start each day with a fresh and organized workspace. Tip 7. Optimize your digital workspace. It's crucial for managing your digital files and maintaining productivity. This method can help you keep your computer desktop and digital files organized. For example, create folders for different projects and regularly clean up your email inbox. Tip 8. Personalize your space. Incorporating this will help you create a comfortable and inspiring work environment. This technique is great for boosting morale and making your workspace feel like your own. Add personal touches like photos, plants, or artwork that motivate you. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include maintaining organization, managing digital clutter, and staying focused. For example, it's easy to let clutter accumulate over time. To tackle these, consider setting aside regular time for organizing and decluttering your workspace. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your workspace organization goals more effectively. Maintaining organization often requires regular effort. To combat this, set up a weekly or monthly cleaning routine. Managing digital clutter can be challenging. Use tools like cloud storage and digital organizers to keep your files in order. Staying focused in a cluttered environment can be difficult. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to maintain focus and productivity. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Workspace organization tips. 1. Declutter your workspace. Remove unnecessary items. 2. Organize your desk layout. Arrange frequently used items within reach. 3. Use storage solutions. Keep items stored neatly and accessibly. 4. Label everything. Make it easy to find what you need. 5. Implement a filing system. Manage paperwork efficiently with labeled folders. 6. Keep a clean desk policy. Clear your desk daily. 7. Optimize your digital workspace. Organize digital files and emails. 8. Personalize your space. Add motivating personal touches. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that Workspace Organization Tips is all about creating a functional and inspiring work environment that enhances your productivity and efficiency. Incorporate these tips into your workspace organization process to see real improvements in your work habits and overall satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.